Looking for an air fryer that can handle big family meals while helping you cook healthier dishes? The Philips 5000 series XXL connected air fryer might be just what you need. It promises crispy, delicious food with up to 90% less fat thanks to its rapid air technology. With a large 7.2-liter capacity, this model is perfect for serving up to 6 portions in one go, whether you're making fries or a whole chicken. What sets this air fryer apart is its impressive 16-in-1 cooking modes. You can air fry, bake, grill, roast, dehydrate, toast, and even ferment or stew your food using simple presets that make cooking straightforward. Plus, the connected features let you control and monitor your cooking remotely through the Home ID app. The app also offers personalized recipes and works with Alexa for hands-free convenience. Cleaning up is easier too, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and a quick clean basket with non-stick coating. This means less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Customer reviews highlight its generous size and versatility, praising the app connection and consistent cooking results. Some users point out that it takes a bit of counter space due to its XXL size, but many find this a fair trade-off for the capacity and features. Overall, this Philips air fryer combines smart technology with practical design for those who want healthy meals without sacrificing flavor or convenience. This product may be on special on Amazon right now, so check the link in the description if you want to see the latest price or take a closer look.